Welcome to Know-It-All, your ultimate hub for knowledge, curiosity, and discovery. In our last video, linked in the description, we explored how ChatGPT, Notion AI, Grammarly, and Zapier can significantly boost our daily productivity. Building on that, let's dive into some more top AI tools that can enhance office productivity. Are you ready? On number 3, we have Otter.ai. If you're tired of taking notes during meetings or struggling to keep track of important details, Otter.ai is a game changer. This AI-powered tool transcribes your meetings in real time, allowing you to focus on the conversation rather than scribbling down notes. Not only does Otter.ai provide highly accurate transcripts, but it also identifies speakers, highlights key points, and even allows you to search through your notes later. Imagine never missing a critical detail again. Plus, you can easily share these transcripts with your team, making collaboration smoother than ever. On number 2, we have Trello, a visual task management tool that many of you might already be familiar with. With Butler AI, you can automate repetitive tasks and create powerful workflows within Trello. Whether it's moving cards based on due dates, assigning tasks to team members, or sending notifications, Butler AI does the heavy lifting for you. By combining Trello with Butler AI, you can automate your task management, save time, and keep your projects running smoothly. And on number 1, we have Clara, your AI-powered scheduling assistant. Scheduling meetings can be a headache, especially when you're juggling multiple time zones and busy calendars. That's where Clara comes in. Clara seamlessly integrates with your email and handles the back and forth of finding the perfect meeting time. Simply CC Clara in your emails, and it will take care of the rest, whether it's coordinating with clients, setting up calls, or sending reminders. Coming on to the conclusion. These AI tools, Otter.ai, Trello with Butler AI, and Clara, are transforming how we work, making it easier to stay organized, save time, and be more productive. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or part of a larger team, integrating these tools into your workflow can make a huge difference. Now, it's on you which way you want to go.
Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe if you want to learn more about AI tools.